A good wire cheese slicer offers the ability to change slice thicknesses with a tilt of the wrist, but wires do loosen over time. We wanted to make a wire cheese slicer that had replaceable wires. Slicing cheese just got easier with the OXO Good Grips wire cheese slicer with replaceable wires. The stainless steel wire is easy to load and is tightened into place with the convenient tensioning wheel. The tensioning wheel can also be used to tighten wires that loosen over time. The sturdy, die-cast zinc construction and the soft, comfortable handle allow you to easily pull the wire through medium and hard cheeses. Adjust the angle of your wrist to change from thick to thin cheese slices. The wire cheese slicer is dishwasher safe and includes 2 stainless steel replacement wires in the package. To replace your wire, start with the straight end of the replacement wire. Feed it into the side of the wire cheese slicer and roll the tensioning wheel toward you until most of it is in. Loop the top around and roll the tensioning wheel toward you until the cheese slicer is nice and taut. Here's a good tip. The wire cheese slicer is ideal for firm cheeses like cheddar and Gouda, or semi-soft cheeses like Havarti and Munster.